Alright, so I got bass in the boat. So now we're gonna have some fun real quick. Here we go. Got him. I'm talking about. Alright, loop it through. We're gonna see if we can keep it. Alright, yes indeedy, yes indeedy. Went out, blood strike fishing dude. We out here trying bass fish, so we caught ourselves a nice little bass. I finally got it on board. I ain't gonna hold them. I couldn't get the fight on there, whatever the case is. I just wanted to get my man on board. 'Cause last few times I came out bass fishing, I hit a few, but I ain't land none of them. So finally, we got ourselves a nice big mouth look like. Alright, got a nice bass right there, you know what I'm saying? Nice bass. Hey, look at him, y'all. He looking pretty good. I see that's pretty good. Blue beans, blood strike fishing, y'all. That's what we do. See if we can let them go nicely. Good stuff, y'all. Blood strike fishing. Let's go.